Oh my goodness, this is just, it just gets better and better. I'm so thrilled and grateful to be a part of the whole Yellowstone universe and the Taylor Sheridan world.
It's surreal. We feel like we're in a different dimension, but it's amazing. It's so exciting to be premiering this extraordinary series. I mean, I watched it again with as much pleasure as I did last night. It's really wonderful. I'm very, very happy to be part of it.
Oh, this is like a dream come true. Look at this place. We're at the Wynn in Las Vegas. I got Harrison Ford next to me, Timothy Dalton over there, Taylor Sheridan, Helen Mirren. I'm living my dream. I mean, honestly, this is awesome.
You need to watch 1923 because it harkens to a time of cinematic brilliance and epic proportions. It's gorgeous to see. The cast is incredible and talented, and there isn't one moment that isn't not only exciting but rich and deep and makes you wonder what's going to happen next.
You should watch 1923 because it's just going to rock your world. That's it. Simple. Rocking your world.